Okay, so here we have a problem where we're going to find the intercepts. So we want to make sure that we understand what that means because it is something very specific. So if you are an intercept, that means that you lie on one of the axes. So you're either on the x-axis or you're on the y-axis. So an x-intercept is a point on the x-axis. The y-intercept is a point on the y-axis. Okay? So if it's on the axis, that automatically means that the other component is 0 for that point. So if it's on the x-axis, that means the y component is 0 at that point. So when you are trying to identify the x-intercept, you always make the y value 0 in the equation, and you solve for x. So I substituted in 0 for my y, and I'm solving for my x. So 6x equals, divide both sides by 6. X is -2. So our x-intercept is -2, 0. Then we're looking for the y-intercept. So the y-intercept means the x component is always 0, and we're looking for the y value in the equation. So 6 times 0 plus 2y equals -12. 2y equals -12. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to -6. So 0, -6 is the y-intercept. So once you get the 2 points, you're going to plot those points so that you can graph the line. So -2, 0. And 0, -6. And then you would use a straight edge or just use your hand and graph the line. So remember finding your intercepts. Finding x-intercept means you substitute in 0 for y and solve for x. Finding the y-intercept, you substitute in 0 for x and you solve for y. So make sure you understand how to write it as an ordered pair, and make sure you understand how to determine which is which. So the x-intercept is the one that has the value for x with the y being 0. The y-intercept is going to have a value for y and the x always being 0. And that's how you find x and y intercept.